So guys, we have division of fractions. So now, I will give an example on how are we going to divide the division of fractions. Improper fractions, we have 3/7 divided by 3/5. Okay, so we have 3/7 and 3/5. So how are we going to divide it? First, we call this as dividend and this one is the divisor. Okay, so in dividing this, we call this as the dividend and the divisor of fractions. So the dividend, we just copy the numerator and 3/7. So ang ating itatranslate natin yung 3/5 sa 5/3. So we have 5/3. So pagbabaligtarin po natin itong dalawa dito sa kabila. Bakit natin pinagbaligtad? Ito po tinatawag natin na reciprocal. So this reciprocal, pinagbabaligtad natin yung divisor dito sa kabila para natin ma-multiply. So, gagawin po natin yung tinuro kong last video in terms of dividing or multiplying the fractions. So, kapag hindi natin ma-divide ang isang ang magkatapat na to, let's say 7 and 5, hindi natin siya ma-divide, hindi siya eksakto. Kung i-divide natin yung 7 sa 5, so meron siya matitirang remainder. So, pwede natin i-divide is 3. So, 3 divide 3 is 1. And, lalagay natin dito yung kabila, yung another 1. So, we just multiply it. So, we have 1 times 5 is 5. Over 7 times 1 is 7. So, the answer is 5, 7. So, ganun lang po siya kasimple, ano po? Kapag tayo po ay divide okay, ng fraction. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay, next. So, now, how are we going to divide mixed number? So, we're going to divide a mixed number. So, I'm going to give you given. So, we have 2 and 1/2. We're going to divide to 1 and 1/4. Again, so we have mixed number 2 and 1/2 divided by 1 and 1/4. So, katulad ng previous natin video, guys, so we're going to change mixed number into improper fractions. So, how are we going to change? We should multiply it and add. So, we have 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. O, kopyahin lang po natin lagi yung denominator. So, we have 5, 2. Okay. So, we have 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is, so we have 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. So, we have 5 2 and 5 4. Okay. So, what are we going to do? We just copy the dividend. So, we have 5 2 multiply by, babaligtarin natin, gagawin natin yung reciprocal. So, we have 4 over 5. Ayan po guys. Okay, so ngayon, ano ang gagawin natin? Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, we just divide kung pwede silang i-divide. Alright, so 5 and 4 and 2. So cancel natin. So 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2 and this will be 1. Okay. Another, we have 5 and 5. So parehas natin siyang ilagyan ng 1. So hindi natin siya ma-divide eksakto. So this will be 5 divided by 1 is 1. So we are going to multiply it. So we're going to multiply. We have 1 times 2 is 2 over 1. So kahit di natin ilagay yung 1, so the final answer is 2. Alright. Okay, another example is 5 and 7, 8. 5 and 7, 8 divided by 1 and 1, 16th. Okay, so what should we do? We should change into improper fractions. So we have 5 times 8. So we have 5 times 8 is 40 plus 7. The answer is 47. And copy the denominator. We have 8 divided by, so 16 times 1 is 16 plus 1, 17. So we have 17 and copy the denominator. We have 16. Okay, so we change 17 and 16, the divisor we change into reciprocal. So we call it, so we have 16 over 17 multiplied by 47 over 8. We just copy the dividend. Okay, so pwede ba natin i-divide yung 16 at 8? Pwede. So 16 divide 8, answer is 2. So lagyan natin lang dito ng 1. So 47 divide 17, hindi natin siya pwede pong i-divide dahil hindi po siya eksakto. So magkakaroon siya ng remainder. So we have 47 times 2. The answer is 94. Again, we have 47 times 2. The answer is 94. Over, so 1 times 17, the answer is 94 over 17. So, how are we going to simplify it into mixed numbers? So, we have 94 divided by 17. Okay, so 94 divided 17 is what number? So we have 94 divided 17. The answer is 5. So 17 times 5 will be 85. And we're going to subtract it. So we have 94 minus 85, the answer is 9. So ano pong gagawin natin para ito maging simplified? So yung 5 will be the whole number. Ayun, ito po yung 5, kinopya natin dun, whole number. Okay, how about yung 9 will be the numerator and 17 will be the denominator, and this is our final answer. 5 and 9, 17. So that's it.